Okay guys, I've actually been, just a quick update on the ARS9100 or Archoil. I don't know if you can see that, but this whole time that I've been messing with this, trying to get my car smogged, I never had a misfire complete. It was always incomplete like that, the EGR system. So that's actually why I decided to look at the injector, because I wasn't sure if the injector problem was causing me not to be able to complete an EGR system cycle. Because I'm not getting any sort of air codes, so that's why I'm trying to figure out what's up. But I mean, I've only been doing this thing maybe like 4 or 5 miles, and I can already tell the engine's running smoother. And this never happened before. I mean, that's like in 4 or 5 miles. So, and I've been looking at this for a couple weeks now. So, I mean, it could be a coincidence that I just changed the oil, but the oil that I had in there wasn't very old. So, I've always used synthetic oil too. So, that I don't know if I've never had that before. So, last thing I have to do now is get that thing to pass, and I got a VCM IDS coming in, clone, fake one, but we'll see what happens. Right. Hey guys, I want to give you an update on that Archoil. So I've probably driven maybe about 100 miles, maybe about close to 100 miles probably. And like I said, I'm not a reseller of this stuff, and I don't make any money off Archoil or any of that kind of stuff. Like I said, I just wanted my truck fixed, or that slight miss fix, and it freaking worked. No more miss, and this engine is so much more quiet now. It's crazy. Like a lot less clatter. Like this thing used to be used to make a lot of clatter, you know, when you're driving around, and now it's way smoother, more responsive. Like the injectors are working again or something. So awesome. So it worked, 40 bucks. So I think, because I don't drive this truck a lot, you know, I'm probably gonna put this in my oil change every year, you know. I mean, it's expensive, 40 bucks, but just as like preventive maintenance, you know, if it works that well, like, why wouldn't you keep this in your engine all the freaking time, you know? Especially this trucks, man, because they're so, I mean, they're so prone to failure, you know, with oil-related problems. So, yeah, because I said I don't drive my truck a lot, so I don't know if that was a reason why that contributed to the thing kind of getting some stiction. Because I use synthetic oil, and I always use like an additive. So I use like a diesel clean additive. So, all right, man. So yeah, awesome. It worked for 40 bucks. Glad I don't have to replace any injectors. So awesome.